Hello friends, let us see how T flip-flop works. See, basically T flip-flop is known as toggle flip-flop. See, we in the last lecture we have seen that how JK flip-flop works. JK flip-flop it is used to overcome the condition of invalid states in the SR flip-flop. Now, if we want only the toggle conditions, right, then we have to use T flip-flop. So in the T flip-flop, you can remember first you need to draw the JK flip-flop, and the inputs J and K, you have to short it. You have to short this to input J and K, and that is termed as T, right? So now it has only one input, so only two possibilities are there. Either your T can be 0 or it can be 1. You need to remember the truth table. Logic is that when T is equal to 0, there is no change in the output of flip-flop. When T is equal to 1, your output is going to be toggle. So if your output is 0, next output becomes 1. If your present output is 1, next output becomes 0. So let us verify this truth table into the circuit diagram. See, if I make T is equal to 0, two inputs of this, that becomes 0. And I am assuming, let's say my clock is 1, right, because I am assuming positive edge. So here two inputs are 1, 1, and let us say that your Q is 0 initially. So this 0, due to this cross coupled connection, is given over here, and if Q is 0, Q bar becomes 1, and that 1 is transmitted at this end. Now any input of the NAND gate, if it is 0, obviously your output becomes 1. You do not need to check any other cases, right? So this 1 comes over here, this 1 comes over here. Your output initially, if it is 0, another input of this NAND gate becomes 0, and any input is 0, it means your output becomes 1 here immediately, and that 1 is transmitted at this end. Now here both the input of this NAND gate becomes 1, so that your next output becomes 0. So that satisfies our logic of this T flip-flop. What is that? When T is equal to 0, your output is not going to change. If your present output is 0, your next output also becomes 0, right? Let us take the other case when your T is equal to 1. When your T is equal to 1, here it becomes 1, and I am assuming now my present state is 0. So this 0 is transmitted at this end, so this is 0. If Q is equal to 0, we have assumed, then Q bar becomes 1, and that 1 is transmitted over here, right? Now here there is one input which is 0, right? Okay, so T we have assumed that is 1, so this becomes 1, right? Here one input is 0, so output becomes 1. Here all these three inputs are at high logic, so output becomes 0 here. Now what happens? Here your output becomes 0, and so what happens? See, when your output becomes 0, this 0 applied as an input to the next NAND gate, and if NAND gate has any input is as 0, your output immediately becomes what? 1. So 1 will be my next state. I do not need to check, because flip-flop's state becomes flip-flop's set or reset condition that depends only on the value of Q. I do not need to check what is my Q bar value. Here if it is 0, immediately this output of NAND gate becomes 1, right? So my present state was 0, and if T is equal to 1, your next state becomes 1. So that is what the toggling process, right? If it is 0, that becomes 1. If it is 1, then it becomes 0, right? So we can verify in such a way all the cases, right? So if you want to make the characteristic table, with the 0 input there are two possibilities, with the 1 input there are two possibilities. But when T is equal to 0, there is no change in present state, so it remains same. 0 then 0, 1 then 1. If it is 1, it is in toggle mode. So if it is 0 then 1, 1 then 0, right? So this is the way how T flip-flop works. Let us see the waveform of T flip-flop. So T flip-flop's waveform, now assuming the positive edge, it has positive edge of clock. Let's say initially my output is 0. When your positive edge comes, you have to check what is your T. If T is equal to 0, there is no change in the present state. So present state is 0, then next it becomes 0 until the next positive edge. So when your next positive edge comes, you have to check what input you are applying. Now T is equal to 1. So when T becomes 1, what is the truth table? When T becomes 1, your flip-flop goes in toggle mode, right? It goes in toggle mode. It means if your present state is 0, it becomes 1. So it remains 1 to the next positive edge. At the next positive edge, my T value is 0. So T value is 0, it means what? No change. So 1 remains continue to the next positive edge. Now T becomes 1, so toggling process. Next positive edge, again T becomes 1, so again it goes 0 to 1 mode. Right? So this is the analysis of T flip-flop using waveform. Right? Through circuit diagram, we can verify our truth table or characteristic equation. Right? So basically, T flip-flop is used as a toggle flip-flop, and it is mostly used to make the counter circuits. Right? That is what the application of T flip-flop. Thank you, friends, watching the video. Thank you very much.